Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a what I eat in a day, what I had for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'm not actually going to show what snacks I had because I didn't really have that many, and it was just like a few nibbles of Elisa's. She had like yogurt coated strawberries and I had like 4 little bits of it, and that's it really. I had some water throughout the day as well, which I didn't show, but all of this is what I had in the day for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So for breakfast I had a cup of coffee with whole milk. Normally I will have just this, maybe an apple if I feel really hungry in the morning. If I'm starving then I will have like egg on toast or something like that, but this morning I just went for a coffee. I picked up a few bits from Tesco for a healthy lunch. This was reduced actually to £1.29. It's only £1.50 normally, but it goes out of date today, so pick these up. One of them is red pepper, one is caramelized onion and one is normal, so they sound yummy. This is spicy tomato, herb and red pepper pitters, which sound lovely. So I thought we could have these, like I'll cut them into strips and then dunk them. And then the same with this as well, carrots, slice them into batons and have those. So that's going to be my lunch today. I had a little bit of this. I didn't have all of it. With me and my mum and my stepdad all shared it, and I also had a bowl of soup which was really nice. My mum made this the day before and it was delicious. I want to make some beef fajitas. I didn't bring any wraps or peppers because I didn't realise I was going to be cooking here, so I didn't bring any of those. So the husband has gone to get some now. While he does that, I have prepped the onions and the beef. He's like holding onto my stuff. What is he doing? I'm going to be frying the onions and the beef. Onions first and then the beef. Oh my god, what are you doing, boy? Okay. And then by the time he gets here, I should be ready to add the peppers. So I've just added a couple of glugs of olive oil into my Instant Pot on saute mode. And I'm going to add in my onions. I've put the onions quite thick so that they don't break down that much. I don't know how much they're going to... I've never cooked this in an Instant Pot before, so I'm not exactly sure, but I'm hoping they won't break down too much because I do like to have soft onions in my fajitas. The onions have been cooking for a few minutes now. They are not very soft, they've just wetted down a little bit. I've just added the beef and some fajita seasoning. Not a lot of fajita seasoning because Mum didn't have that much, but it's enough. And I'm going to add a few more spices. Oh my god, you can't even see what's going on in the pan. Let me put it here maybe. So it looks like this. Looks amazing. So I've basically just googled fajita seasoning and it's telling me what is in there, so I'm going to add a little bit of all of the things that I have. So it's got chili powder, salt, paprika, sugar, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, a bit of cayenne pepper. I'm going to add all of those, a little bit extra of all of those if my mum's got them, and then it will be extra delicious. It's all getting stuck to the bottom. I don't know why it does that, but every time I make fajitas that happens, like with chicken ones. Don't really make beef ones very often. I'm gonna add a bit of mint because why not? I love mint in everything. So, yes, mint. So that is cooking away nicely. Show you what it looks like now. I cut up all the peppers and added them straight into here. Now I'm going to just stir them for a minute so they get coated in all of the fajita seasoning, and then I'm going to put the lid on, put a little bit of water in, and then put the lid on and cook it for 15 minutes. So looking good. So that is going to cook for 15 minutes on high pressure cooking, and then we'll be ready to eat basically. So I'm going to sort out everything else now. I'm going to make some salsa. So making the salsa, I chopped up a tomato, and then I added some lemon, and then these really cute little peppers. They're called Sweetie Drop red peppers, and they're just really like tangy and a little bit spicy, so I thought I'd add those to give it an extra kick. But one thing I forgot to do is add onions, which is really stupid because it's a salsa and it's supposed to have onions in it, and I just completely forgot to add them, to be honest. So I'm going to put all of the ingredients that I used down below for what I made here. So I'm going to have the salsa recipe and also the beef fajita recipe. So it's been 15 minutes, I let all of the air out of the pressure cooker, and now I've just put it on saute mode again, and I'm just going to cook it down until all of the water has, well not all of it, but most of the water has evaporated or just thickens up a little bit. So that is looking gorgeous. The meat is super duper soft. I added a bit of salt because I did taste it and the salt was basically non-existent, so added some salt, and yes, that is that. I'm going to heat up the wraps in the microwave, and then I'm going to set the table. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So it is looking very, very good. All of the sauce has evaporated and just thickened up really nicely. So now I'm just going to put this in a dish to serve it. To my wrap I added some rice which my mum had left over. This is just coriander and green pepper rice. It's really nice. And then I added some cheese and mayonnaise. And then I added the beef, which was so delicious. I cannot even tell you how nice this was. And then I added some salsa on top of that, and then wrapped it all up. Oh my gosh, does that not give you so much anxiety that it's coming out of the edge?
Nice.
It's so juicy. That is really nice. But yes, that is everything that I had in the day. That is going to be the end of this video. Like this video, leave a comment, tell me what you eat in a day, share this video, and also subscribe. The subscribe thing is just there, so click on that. Also go and watch another one of my videos just here. Click on this. This is not the last video that I uploaded. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!